In this video, let's talk about how to fix YouTube cannot comment. Welcome back everyone to this new tutorial video. If you're having issues commenting on YouTube videos, in today's video, let me show you a few solutions that you can try out. Now the first thing that you need to know is that you need to have a public channel, meaning that you cannot comment with a bare Google account. Whenever you open up or first time opening up a YouTube application without having a channel, this may be the exact reason that you're facing this issue. Also, make sure that you have turned off the restricted mode within your YouTube account. So from the profile section, head over to the settings on the top right, head over to general and make sure that the restricted mode is disabled or toggled off. Now, even after doing both of these steps, if the issue still persists, then what you can try out is try to clear out the YouTube cache. So just tap and hold the app, head over to this eye icon. Once you're inside of the settings page, head over to storage, and right here you'd be able to see the option called clear cache. Now once you do these few steps, you should be able to fix this issue. But however, if the issue still persists, this is likely due to spam. So if you have commented on a lot of videos all at once, this may be the exact issue that you're facing. So wait out at least 24 hours before you can make any sort of new comments. So that's pretty much all there is to it. If this video did help you out, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next one.